Hey guys, this is just a quick reminder on how to use our Jamboard and how to insert it into our, in this case, Google Slides, because that's where we're going to put it for this particular assignment. Okay, so this slide has the instructions: create a Jamboard that shows a model of food traveling through the digestive system and some instructions. Okay, so you know you need to go to Jamboard. We should be pretty good at that by now. Anywhere you have a waffle, you can pop open that waffle and then just scroll through your apps here until you find your Jamboard. Okay, and then click on it. I have mine open over here. We're pretty good now at making jams, so I didn't make one. I just made a sample. This is my model of the digestive system. Pretty good, right? Okay, you might want to rename it, so you can click up there and rename it. Okay, then you're going to want to save it. Save your frame as image. Okay, when you do that, it'll pop up in your downloads. Okay, so you can find it in your downloads. Then when you get back to your assignment, okay, we're going to want to insert our Jamboard on the next slide, on the empty one. Okay, I'll update those instructions. Okay, you want to click in your frame here, then you'll go to Insert, you'll go to Image, Upload from your computer. Okay, and it will be in your downloads. Okay, which is right here. Here's mine, digestive system number 1. Okay, there is my model of the digestive system right there in my slide. Okay, so that's how we're going to be able to put your drawings into your Google Slides. Okay, hit me up with your questions.